In this painting video, I will show you the depth of the sea and the beautiful whale. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this painting video, I will show you the depth of the sea and the color, the beautiful painting. I will start with the green and blue, ultramarine blue and leaf green is the dark colors that are used for this painting. As you can see, first I draw the big whale with the pencil, and after this I am painting the surrounding water, and next now I am painting the whale with the dark color, and after painting with the dark color I will highlight with the white and light colors to showing the light coming from the top of the surface of the water towards the depth of the sea. And you can see there is a lots of depth because these big fishes are present and living in the depth of the sea. So now you can see I am adding some creatures, some different kinds of plants under the sea, and some kind of small fishes and different colors of fishes like black, purple, white, and a lots of. I am adding some kind of lights, some kind of highlights on the big fish, because in the center this is the main focus of our painting. I am blending the colors, I am blending some more colors on the surface. Now peeling off the masking tape, and here we go. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel.